lining up kami sa ano, cable car. Ang daming tao. Ayan no, sasakay ng cable car pero sobrang lining up ang ano, sobrang maraming tao. Ayan. Sasakay kasi. Iba-ibang mukha.
It's a bit cool, but like big school with her legs. Hi guys, watch here. Look here.
No.
Look here, Chloe.
What's that?
亲爱的乘客们，欢迎搭乘
Kangkong daw.
Fried kangkong.
Kangkong tao.
Kangkong tao.
Yan ang narinig ko.
Kasi marami.
Chinese. Dami uli ng tao-tao, lakad-lakad uli. Yan, lakad-lakad uli kami dito. Daming tao. This area puro mga restaurant pala yung area ito.
weekend lang ako.
Oh, bago ngayon po. You want to come early.
Disney Park were like way more cool.
Stay overnight lang yun.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the hotel. This was haunted.
Bago po
Oh,
yun.
yeah, also that.
Yeah, it's bago.
I like the fancy hotel. The one, have you been to it?
Renovated lang.
The one that you have to just drive
Yung
and
iba nga
get there.
after
Oh
that,
wait, have you
hindi mo na
been
nila
there?
na-open
Oh,
dahil
I
may
want to
cancel
up there.
na.
It's so scary. I want to do the drop so badly, but at the same time, I
May
don't want.
cancel
It just goes
po.
up and
I've
it's
been there once, you know. The Solero shop. I've been there once.
scary.
In just few seconds.
I would like
you
pass
die.
out in like 1 minute after going up. I saw a person do that before. They said more than like going slow.
Ayan guys, kabababa lang namin sa ano, sa cable. Ayan, sa cable car. Dito na kami ngayon sa Genting Highlands. Ang lamig, sinta mo napaka-ano ng ano, cloudy. Sobra. Sobra palang lamig. Ha? Hoy, dito talaga sobrang lamig. Hindi tayo nagdala ng jacket. Oh, dito na kami ngayon, guys. Sa loob ng Genting Highlands. Meron ditong casino, di ba? May casino dito. Pero requirements dito yung ano, original passport, saka original IC. Of course, mga credit card mo yan. Visa, Mastercard, or American Express card. Yan ang requirements ng ano. Tapos, kasi may mga ATM machine sa ano, sa loob ng casino. Tapos,
It's the best. And like, yeah. My ears are blocked.
Yeah.
You have to,
Swallow your...
pretend you
Drive up kasi dito sa Genting Resort Hotel. We can, no, 7 ringgit only.
parking
Ah,
day.
parking.
One whole day lang, per entry lang.
I don't know, but nung pumunta kami, 7 ringgit.
Cloudy. Oo, cloudy.
It's not cloudy, sa phone.
Sa phone.
Kaya
Malamig sa labas.
Hindi natin na-experience.
Hindi ba yan dito pagdating mo sa kaya, init na.
Sarap ano, pag malamig ng ang
Hindi ka rin makatulog pag malamig.
Kaya masakit yung mga ano. Kapat.
Kasi,
kahit yung aircon, ano, hindi mo pwedeng, ano, one whole night, ano? Sakit din sa
yeah,
Mga unggoy. Mga pagod. Baka nakakapit. Kaya binibigyan ko.
si Vincent, first time mo ba?
Ah.
Okay. Enjoy na.
Ayan, bababa na.
We can park actually in the Genting Resort. That hotel